channel. Thank you for tuning back in. Sorry that I've been gone for a little minute. Things have been kind of hectic. But this video right here is just showing you guys how I make all of my cereals for Milan. Rice cereal, like oatmeal, things like that. There was this whole thing going on. I'm sorry if you can hear her toy in the background. There was this whole thing going on where a lady found metal inside of her child's Gerber whole wheat cereal. And I saw that. That was way before I even became pregnant. But I saw that and I was like, when I have kids, there's no way I'm giving them that. Like, I'm going to insert a clip here so you guys can see.
Whole wheat Gerber food. Now, I'm kind of late on this video. My friend sent me a video about this stuff. I still had some of this left. So what I did was I put it in a sandwich bag right here. This is a magnet. They stick it together. I swear to God, no lie. This is the Gerber whole wheat. Do y'all see this? I'm sorry for profanity, but I am pissed. I swear to God, Gerber got me messed up. Look at this. Do y'all see this metal in my baby food? And he have not been feeling well. I've been putting this junk in his cereal and we just had to revert back to this regular rice because he just been boo-booing like so bad and just getting so raw like every 2 hours.
I was like, there's no way I'm giving my child that. Like, there's metal in here. I'm not feeding my child metal. I'm just going to make everything myself. So that's when I decided that everything that my child eats, I'm going to be making it. So you guys have seen I made the apple puree, the sweet potato puree. She's had bananas, she's had peas. But I wanted to show you guys how I make her cereal, because even though I'm making her fresh foods, the cereal also I wanted to make myself. So I'm going to show you how I make the steel oats and rolled oats. But you can use this tutorial for rice, everything like that. So I'm going to be showing you 2 different methods that you can use to cook your child's cereal. So just keep watching, and thank you guys again for tuning in, and make sure you keep coming back to see what other stuff we got going on here. Have a good one. Bye. Not only is it healthier, but it's cheaper. Look at this. These are the rolled oats, but you can do this with rice, steel oats, rolled oats, whatever you'll be feeding your baby. So right here, I'm moving my food processor from chopped to puree, and this is what's really gonna ground up those oats. Right here, you'll see me rocking the food processor back and forth. That's to just try and get the whole oats that are still in there, trying to move them around so that they'll get hit by the blades. Have this nice floury consistency. It's just like the powder that they sell you in the Gerber packaging, but this is fresh. Now I'm showing you 2 different ways that you can cook your child's oats. You have the option of stovetop cooking them or cooking them in the microwave if you're on the go. So that water that I poured into my baby's container, I went and stuck it in the microwave, and then once I took the water out of the microwave, I went ahead and put some of that oat flour into the container. I closed it up and I'm letting it self-cook. But on the left, you can see that I'm cooking. I'm moving the oats around with my spatula. I'm going ahead and mushing them a little bit, and I'm just letting them soften up. An additional step that you want to consider if your baby is just trying out foods and getting started on cereals and everything, you want to take this mixture and put it back into your food processor to get any lumps that may be in there. You see how this is a little lumpy? You can put it back in the food processor or your blender to get those lumps out. I decided to add in a little more water and stick it back into the microwave just to get it a little looser because my daughter doesn't like the texture of lumpy oatmeal. So we got it a little looser, but I did go and put it into the food processor again just to get it a little smoother. And there you have it, guys. It's that simple. Once you're done, just go ahead and mix it with some of your baby's vegetables, fruit, whatever you have, and you're all set to go. Thanks for watching.